Did you know that the Lyrid meteor shower has been observed for over 2,700 years, making it one of the oldest known meteor showers? Yes, indeed. This celestial spectacle caused by the comet Thatcher has been an annual event that never fails to captivate skygazers around the world. This year, in 2024, it's set to peak on April 22nd, promising to light up the night sky with 10 to 15 meteors per hour under ideal conditions. But here's the kicker. The Lyrids are known for their occasional outbursts where rates can surge to a staggering 100 meteors per hour. Imagine that! And if you're wondering where to look, the radiant point rises before midnight and is highest in the sky at dawn. For those in the northern hemisphere, keep an eye out for the bright star Vega in the constellation Lyra. So, are you ready to embark on this cosmic journey and uncover the secrets of the Lyrid meteor shower? Stay tuned as we unveil 20 fascinating facts about this celestial phenomenon. Fact number 1. The Lyrid meteor shower is caused by Comet Thatcher. This celestial spectacle is the result of Earth passing through the tail of this comet, where tiny particles of debris burn up in our atmosphere, creating a dazzling display. Now, onto fact number 2. This meteor shower is an annual event. Yes, you heard that right. Every year you can look forward to this breathtaking display of shooting stars. Fact 3 brings us to the peak of the event. In 2024 we can expect the Lyrids to be most active on April 22nd. During this time the sky will be lit up with about 10 to 15 meteors per hour under ideal conditions. But don't be surprised if you witness a sudden surge in activity. That brings us to fact number 4. The Lyrid meteor shower has a history of occasional outbursts with rates reaching up to 100 meteors per hour. And finally, for the 5th fact, this meteor shower will be best viewed from the northern hemisphere. So, if you happen to be in the right place at the right time, you're in for a real treat. The bright star Vega in the constellation Lyra will be your guide, rising in the northeast around 9 to 10 p.m. local time. That's just the beginning. Let's move on to some more intriguing facts. Moving on to fact number 6, the Lyrids have an expected rate of 10 to 15 meteors per hour under ideal conditions. This isn't just a one-time event, it's a celestial spectacle that graces our skies every year. Now, for fact number 7, did you know that the Lyrid meteor shower has a history of occasional surges? That's right, sometimes rates can reach up to a staggering 100 meteors per hour. This brings us to fact 8. The radiant point of the Lyrids rises before midnight and is highest in the sky at dawn. This means, for the best viewing experience, you'd want to be looking up during these times. For our 9th fact, let's travel back in time. The Lyrids have been observed for over 2,700 years. That's longer than the Great Wall of China has been standing. Finally, fact number 10, the next predicted outburst of the Lyrids is in 2042. So if you're a fan of shooting stars, you might want to mark that year on your calendar. Isn't it fascinating how much there is to learn about this meteor shower? Let's jump into fact number 11. The next predicted outburst of the Lyrids is in 2042. Hold on to your telescopes, folks, because that's going to be a sight to behold. Moving on to fact 12, the shower's visibility varies depending on your location. Those in the northern hemisphere, you're in luck. You'll have a prime view of the celestial spectacle. Our friends in the southern hemisphere, don't fret. You might have limited visibility, but you'll still be able to catch a glimpse of some meteors. Now, for fact 13. The radiant point of the shower, where the meteors appear to originate from, rises before midnight and is highest in the sky at dawn. Isn't that a reason to stay up late or wake up early? For fact 14 we have to talk about Vega, the bright star in the constellation Lyra. This star rises in the northeast around 9 to 10 in the evening local time, serving as a beacon for the Lyrid meteor shower. Finally, fact 15. The Lyrids have been observed for over 2,700 years. That's a lot of history written in the stars. With each fact, our understanding of the Lyrid meteor shower deepens. Now for our final set of facts. Fact number 16, the Lyrid meteor shower is visible from the northern hemisphere. As for fact 17, those in the southern hemisphere need not feel left out. Although visibility may be slightly limited, you can still catch a glimpse of some meteors. Moving on to fact 18, the radiant point of the shower rises before midnight, reaching its zenith at dawn. This leads us to fact 19, the best viewing times. The bright star Vega in the constellation Lyra begins to rise in the northeast around 9 to 10 in the evening local time. Finally, fact number 20. The Lyrids have been lighting up our skies for over 2,700 years, with the next predicted outburst in 2042. So mark your calendars, astronomers, and with that, we've covered our top 20 facts about the Lyrid meteor shower. So, What have we learned about the Lyrid meteor shower? Well, we've journeyed through a cascade of facts and figures, each one shedding light on this celestial spectacle. Let's take a moment to revisit some of the highlights. We started with the basics. The Lyrid meteor shower is an annual event caused by Comet Thatcher. Every year, around the 22nd of April, the Earth passes through the comet's trail, resulting in a shower of meteors streaking across the sky. In the year 2024, the peak is expected to yield 10 to 15 meteors per hour under ideal conditions. And speaking of peaks, we delved into the shower's history of occasional surges, with rates reaching up to a spectacular 100 meteors per hour. We learned that the next predicted outburst isn't until the year 2042, but that doesn't mean there aren't plenty of awe-inspiring shows to enjoy until then. We explored the radiant point, which rises before midnight and is highest in the sky at dawn. From the northern hemisphere, spectators can spot the bright star Vega in the constellation Lyra rising in the northeast around 9 to 10 p.m. local time. And while visibility may be a bit limited from the southern hemisphere, some meteors can still be seen. And last but certainly not least, we touched on the historical significance of the Lyrids. These meteors have been observed for over 2,700 years, making them one of the oldest known meteor showers. Their longevity and consistency are a testament to the enduring wonder of our universe. In the grand scheme of things, the Lyrid meteor shower is but a fleeting moment in the cosmos. But it's these moments that remind us of our place in the universe, of the beauty that lies beyond our world, and of the mysteries that are yet to be unraveled. Remember to mark your calendars for the next Lyrid meteor shower, and until then, keep looking up at the stars.